Hi, it's Yasmin. It's my birthday week and my skin needs a huge reset, so that's what we're doing. I'm going to walk you through all my 12-step skincare routine. It's actually more than that, surprisingly, but the sun's still out, so I can't use the nighttime things, but I will show you everything. Look how my skin is looking. It just feels so dirty and oh my god. Like, I feel like the pores are plugged, especially like the area around the nose. So we need to fix that, okay? I need to look gorgeous for my birthday. It's just like not it. Like, we need to fix that. So first things first, I like to start with my double cleansing thing. I actually don't use any cleansing oils because I get irritated and they don't work for me like at all. So I just use my micellar water. So I actually like to put some on my hands, like a lot on my hands. So I was out today, so I have my sunscreen on. So I just use it like that. And I make sure like I use a lot. I don't know why, it just works for me that way. Okay, don't judge me. Then I use my cotton pads. Yay! So I haven't done this in a while. I've been so busy with my exams and I just finished them. This is the cleanser I use. I've been using it for a while now. It's actually really cool. It's like my favorite cleanser at the moment. It's just like so soft. It smells so good also. My next step is this. Like, I love this. I've been using it like for a year now, I think. It just makes me feel like a Smurf, but it works. It's like it removes all the blackheads. Now we'll have to wait for like 5 minutes for it to dry out. It actually works like really amazingly because it actually absorbs all the excess oil in your skin, which is basically what's like clogging your pores and making it look like a blackhead. Okay guys, this is after like 5 minutes. These are all oils from my pores. I'll go wash it out and come back. I already feel like my skin is way better. So right now I'll be using this. This is the Beauty of Joseon Ground Rice and the Honey Glow Mask. This is what I've been using for a while now. It's both like a scrub and a glow mask. So it's like very cool, but it smells like really bad. It comes with this little spoon and I just like put some here. I'll just try to like spread it out. So I let it dry for a little bit, then I kind of just rub it to scrub my face a little bit and remove all the dead skin. So yeah, it's really gentle and it's really effective and that's what I like about it. I try to be as gentle as possible. Okay, now I'll go wash my face and come back. Okay, so now that I've dried my skin, my next step is my toner. I've been using this from last August and it's my holy grail. I need to restock on it soon. So what I like to do is just like to tap it in. The next step is serum. So while it's nice and wet, I like to add this serum. The Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. I really like doing it, especially after a good exfoliation. Because it actually acts like a Botox. I previously had like this 11 wrinkle and it just like it's non-existent anymore. So my next step is some eye cream. So I like using this Sephora one. It's the vitamin C one. So I like using this before my eye treatment. But like I use it day and night. It just like brightens the area a little bit. It doesn't do the huge like change. Like don't expect it to do much. It's just like a moisturizer. What really does the job for me is this. This is my holy grail, honestly. I put this at night mainly 2 times per week now, and I plan on adding more by time because your skin needs to kind of get adjusted to it so it won't get irritated. There were like this tiny fine wrinkles under my eyes and it just removed them. So what I would usually do at night is add this after my eye cream. Then I would add this, which is the Revive Under Eye Patch. If you want the best under eye skincare, you would do these two together. So this cream has retinol, so I can do it in daytime. So right now I'll just do an eye patch. It's like fishing if you think about it. And now I will do this moisturizer. I've been in love with Korean skincare lately. I think I will add the lip balm right now. This is my favorite lip balm. It's actually the Laneige lip serum. It's so tinted and dark right now, but after 1 minute it cools down. It gives you the best lip color. Just like give it a 1 minute. I love that it's not sticky. Other lip balms are so sticky. I know that this is actually a serum, but for me it's hydrating, so it's a lip balm. Okay, so now we'll remove these. This is my final step. I go with this Caudalie Beauty Elixir. You just need to shake it a little bit. Only had it for like a month or a month and a half. I didn't want to buy the full size at first because I wanted to try it to see if it's good for my skin or not. But now I regret not buying the full size. It's such a good feeling. You can actually use it like in 3 ways. You can actually use it like a skin prep after your skincare or after your makeup. It's just like so beautiful, and it gives you the best refreshing feeling for your skin. Oh my god, my skin is glowing. This is the aftermath of my 12-step skincare routine. My skin is glowing. Oh my god. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!